Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be sharing our baby girl's nursery room since she's almost here, because currently I'm on my 35 weeks and my due date is quite like 3 to 4 weeks from now, so it's about time to set her nursery room. We made sure that the 3 basic functions are there, which is number 1, a place for baby to sleep. Number 2, a place to store her clothes and diapers and a changing pad. Number 3, a place for feeding and story time. So these 3 basic functions are kind of like an essential one if you will be having a nursery room. So come with me. So as you can see, it's about to get dark, so I need to open the lights. So let's take a look on each section of her room. So first of all, once you enter the room, you will see the 3-layer tray on the other side, which consists of baby stuff, cottons, baby wipes, and diapers, and some of the bottles. So with this one, we can move it anywhere whenever where the baby is, so that all of her stuff are easy to grab. And the second one is a nursery chair, and that has a footrest where I can feed and relax with the baby. And of course, we bought a humidifier and a baby lampshade for her, just to complete the room necessity, and a small carpet for her. And of course, this is the crib that we purchased. This crib can be expanded when she grows older. For now, we just assembled the crib for newborn. Later on, when she grows up, we can adjust it to make it bigger. Yeah, so yeah, this is very cute. We have her dresser. On top of it is the changing pad. In her dresser, we arrange her clothes based on the month age. So we have newborns, 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and below is say 6 to 9 months and 9 to 12 months. So, and of course, some of the miscellaneous toys are stored here. And of course, we have the trash can that will help seal all the smelly diaper. In this built-in cabinet, we stored all her dresses and outdoor clothes. We hang it everything here, so maybe I will show it later on. Just to have a suspense, okay? And lastly, of course, we choose a star design curtain, which is this one. When you close the curtains and you close the lights, it will look like this. So pretty. Her room is much more cozier than our room. Definitely the baby will have a peaceful sleep. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy watching our humble little nursery room for our baby girl. I hope I shared a little knowledge on creating your own nursery room. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!